on with our day. Mom is weeping as she watches this video. Oh yeah, it was very stable now.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? It's about that time again. It's been a while since I've been working out here actually. So let's see, where should I update? Friends. I was actually on a little tiny vacation with some friends. Was from Florida, and we went to Chicago. The goal was to celebrate the dry in of the house. It turned in really quick that I was just going to be celebrating installing the door, or at least getting to a point where we can take a short break. But we got a lot of work to do. Yep, that's it. That's your one good idea for the rest of the decade.
Alright, okay, go ahead. Left piece first row. Hey, there's a door there.
Yeah, entryway. I'll have to clean this up later. And it's had a little bit more than I wanted to. Put the door there and cover all that. Yup. Tape her up.
Bro, you just tried to smush my finger. Now you can go. Go ahead, Tom. Go. Go skid. Go for it. Go. Go, Jesse. Go. Come on, Tom. Go. You get left behind. Go good. So we have the first row of sheathing up all around the house, which is pretty exciting. We did it despite the gale force winds that wanted to stop us. Ta-da! So we're gonna keep going another day, ideally earlier in the morning, but it's whenever we can. And then just keep going, and soon we'll be able to do more cutouts for doors and windows and start getting that in. And then it's all leading up to getting the roof joists on. So then hopefully we'll have everything dried in, and that's like the next big major goal. So yeah. Very, very exciting.
It's a new day.
It's a Friday.
It is Friday.
Thank goodness.
I really like to watch the TGIF. What was it? ABC? NBC?
I don't even know what you're talking about.
Wow, that shows my age.
Old
Family Matters. That's all I remember was the other show. You watch Saturday morning cartoons at least.
Yeah.
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 I don't know if those exist anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's always something going on in the background that is either not recorded or it's just like, I don't know. It takes up a lot of time. So
yeah.
Now we're gonna really like
for real this time.
Yeah, for real. We're really gonna try to sheathe this and close her up.
We've had a few rainstorms, and so the house has been a pool.
Yeah, unfortunately.
I think I got a couple pictures of that I'll put up here, and
yeah,
we're getting tired of that. So yeah, sheathing and roofing. We're gonna prioritize that.
Yeah. Whenever it came, I was like, I built a damn pool. I designed the damn pool.
It held the water in really well. So,
yeah,
you know,
it did. It did.
That's good, I guess.
Yeah.
That's what happens when you build a house for the first time. You don't know what you're doing.
Yeah, project management is difficult. So,
It is, no matter what you're doing.
yeah, it's difficult, especially when you don't know what you're doing. You're like, yeah, this will take me 2 hours. So yeah, add a couple days to that, and then you'll get the timeline.
See, sheathing the house.
Yeah, I was like, yeah,
It'll take a day.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's exhausting.
Yeah. Well, can't put off the inevitable anymore. Let's go sheath some stuff.
Get it. Sheathing does multiple purposes. It's the wall. It actually secures the wall together. It also, it's one of the points that will secure the house down to the seal plate. There's other points too as well, but that's one of them. It's very strong. So what this is a ZIP system from Huber. This a Huber? Huber City? Huber. H-U-B-E-R. And it's water resistive, air barrier, and then what you do is you tape your seams as well. So we have our ZIP system here, and we use 4x8s. They have different sizes, they're like longer ones. We're gonna tape each seam, the corners, everything too, and it's gonna be like pretty airtight. And so it's gonna take the place of, like, if you drive around, if you're not familiar with building or whatever, there's house wraps that you see. The Tyvek wrap is what really popular. What we have here is Huber ZIP R. So it actually has insulation on it. So that's an insulation. That will be an R6. We did R6. It's gonna have insulation in between the studs in the exterior. What it does is a thermal break. Thermal break would be like two pieces of wood are touching, temperature can go through it, but we have the insulation in there, like a coat, you know, it protects it. So it should be very cozy inside when we're done. That's the plan. That's what we hope for. I think we're gonna do it.
Are these also heavy? Is everything heavy? Everything's heavy. Why can't we do light things?
So weak, we need it stronger. I'm supposed to be working out during our hiatus, and I did it a little bit, a few times. Okay. Oh, Josie!
Why'd you look?
Ah!
Stop looking!
What do you need?
It just went through my fingernail.
Ah!
Is everything okay?
Chelsea's gotta go to the hospital.
I don't have to go to the hospital. What?
She's gotta go to the ER.
There's blood.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of blood. How'd you do that? I'm mad at you.
What's happening? So yeah, I drilled through my fingernail. It was a little painful. We're all good though. This is why it's important to have a first aid kit on a construction site, because sometimes stuff like this happens. Basically, there was a hole in my gloves and I managed to just drill like right into it, so all good. No significant medical attention required.
Blood was everywhere. They cleaned up so much blood.
You gonna pass out talking about it?
I almost passed out. No, it's not a lot of blood. Still made me nervous, you know.
That's a very good reason to be nervous.
Yeah. It's nerve-wracking, but you know, she's good.
So, we're gonna get back to this guy. We're gonna finish this. Guys, sheathing is really boring. It's boring, and it's heavy, and I'm over it. I've got a whole weekend of it. Farts. And... or not. Well, We're probably like halfway done. I don't know. We finished this wall, but let me show you what's left. The biggest wall. That monstrosity. A shim. A shiv? A shiv.
What's up? We're measuring.
We're measuring. Very exciting.
I'm gonna have a really weird looking detail here, but it'll be taped up, buttoned up, but whatever. It's raining. This one little cloud is actually sprinkling on us.
That right there. Do you need me to hold on? You need any help with that? Wanted me to do it from the side. We live might be easier. It on.
So we need some blocking there.
Clocking out.
Clocking out. Let me go put some ice on my shoulder.
Hello, hello, hello. It is Saturday. We never get out here as early as we think we're going to. Should probably adjust our expectations. But we are excited because we're working on the front wall today. This one's going to be tough because we don't have the backfill until Tuesday, but we really need to get this up here so we can start preparing for window installation, just finishing the side so we can get to the roof. There's a lot of like different steps we could be taking that all kind of have to happen simultaneously. But since we know backfill's coming on Tuesday, at least if we can get the front wall sheathed, then we know during the week we can probably install some of the bigger windows, having at least one person who's strong. Would be really nice to have. So yeah, so we have a lot to do today, but it's kind of nice because it's like, you know, we have a singular mission. So we're gonna get set up for that, and yeah, let's get some stuff done. Woo!
Can you hand me the screwdriver?
That one. Lauren, tell us how you really feel about how awful that first one was.
Okay, so that was really sketchy. Like, I was running around the house for my life while you were all holding it up, and I could tell there was some struggling, and I was frantically running around for a better ladder. Didn't help. I didn't help at all. I was here for emotional support. You were the real MVP of that one, Chelsea. Well done.
I will say, since Brian isn't listening, that I definitely almost fell off that ladder like 3 times.
That's why I was standing behind you.
Definitely had the board catch the wind, and I was like, I might die. But he didn't hear that.
Safety first.
Still have much to do, but we're gonna stop for lunch. Unfortunately, the sun is now coming to the front of the house, so we're about to lose our nice shaded coolness. And the wind has picked up.
Sweet magic carpet. I'm Jasmine and Aladdin together.
Go, Lauren. Start the magic carpet ride.
Okay. Yeah, no, definitely backfill would make this a lot easier.
Yeah, so I think yes, exactly. Don't just casually say you're gonna die and all that. Whew, not too shabby.
Snowing.
Snowing?
And it's snowing in summer in August.
Sounds about right.
It's Colorado for you. There's nothing janky about what I'm doing.
A totally OSHA approved ladder situation.
Oh my gosh. My wife's an all-star. She's a rock star. So she put up most of the panels today. I think them all. I just like put up a couple and did all the metasuring and cutting. Yeah. We wanted to get the whole front wall done. We didn't, but I'm okay with that. I mean, it's still early. We could keep working, but we really need that backfill. It's really high. It's really, as soon as you get high, the higher you go, it just seems more windy and scary. I get advertised that kind of bull crap all the time on like Instagram. I'll mention something, you know, talk about like, I don't know, oh, I'm thinking about getting a new bed. I'll think it, you know, and then all of a sudden I get advertisements for beds. But this headlamp has been awesome.